Hi, I'm Amy Lakin, and welcome to Unit 1, Examining Controversial Issues, Part 1. By this point in your academic career, you've probably taken an English composition course at another institution, or you've successfully completed English 106 at AIU. Either way, congratulations! This week, you will continue to build on the writing skills and strategies you acquired in your previous composition course. You and your classmates will begin with an IntelliPath lesson titled Getting Started, followed by a review of academic integrity. The next two lessons provide a glimpse of academic research. They are Preliminary Research Strategies and AIU Library Database and Opposing Viewpoints. Those lessons will be useful as you complete the Unit 1 discussion board assignment, in which you will explore the course topics list. This list is very important. Take your time reviewing the topics and determine which two you are most interested in researching. Your main post to the discussion board will serve as your vote for the two course topics that the class will focus on for the remainder of the term. Remember that you must make at least 3 posts to the discussion board by the end of Unit 1, and discussion board posts will not be accepted late. If you haven't done so already, be sure to watch the course overview video, which serves like a roadmap for the entire course. So that's all for now. Have a productive week.